Hello, boys! Welcome to a new music class where we are learning the musical figures and the musical notes. In the last classes, we've been learning three musical notes. We learned the C note that goes in the imaginary line. We learned the D note that goes in the imaginary space. And we learned the E note that goes on the first line of the pentagram, the line number 1. So in the last class, I leave you an exercise where you have to write the musical note on the pentagram according the name of the note and the rhythm note that appears in each measure. This is the exercise that we make in the last class. So, for example, here in this measure, I have to write a quarter C note. So, we're going to make this exercise together. Where I have a quarter, this is a quarter? Yes, this is a quarter note. So, what we gonna do is this. Here I have my quarter note, and I'm going to put it in the imaginary line. So there I have a quarter C note. In the second measure, I need to write a half D. Where I have a half, this is a half? No, this is a whole note. This is a half? Yes, this is a half note that lasts 2 beats. So I have to put my half where? This is a D note, so I have to write it in the imaginary space like this. Now, in the third measure, I need to write a whole E note. This is a whole? No, this is a quarter. This is a whole note? Yes, this is a whole note. So I need to put this whole note in the first line of the pentagram, like this. Let me make it better. There I go. Here I have a whole note and an E note. Now I need a quarter E note. This is a quarter? No, this is a whole note. And this is a quarter that lasts 1 beat. And the E note goes in the first line of the pentagram. So I'm going to put it in the first line of the pentagram, like this. Excellent. Now, in this measure, I need to write a whole C. Here I have a whole, and the C note goes in the imaginary line like this. Excellent. And the half D note, I need a half note. I'm going to use this half note, and the D note goes in the imaginary space. So I have to put my D note on the imaginary space like this. Excellent. So now I have my exercise done. Very good. So now that you know how to do it, I have another exercise, the exercise number 2. And we're going to make the same thing. We have to write the note and the rhythm figure in each measure. For example, here I have a half E. So here I have a half note, and I have to put it in the first line because the E note goes on the first line of the pentagram. So, this is your homework for today. You have to make the exercise number 2. I know that you can do it great. So, are you ready? Okay, this is your homework for today. Boys, I will see you in the next class. And in the next class, we're going to learn a new musical note. Which one? I don't know. That is a surprise. Well, I hope you enjoy the music class. Goodbye. Have a great day.